good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 15 verse 18 to 16 verse 4. The world and them hate Jesus follower them. If the people them in the world hate to know, remember say them did hate me first. If only did come in like the people them in the world, them would have love you like how them love them own people. But only not come in like the people them in the world, cause me pick you out from amongst them. It make them hate to know. Remember when me did tell you say, no servant no bigger than their master. If them make me suffer, then they must go make uno suffer too. If them do what me teach them to do, them go do what uno teach them to do too. But them go do all of them sitting here to know through uno a fi me, and cause they don't know the one we send me come here. If me then come and talk to them wouldn't guilty of nothing wrong. But right now, them not have nothing for use and say they're not guilty. Anybody will hate me father too. Them wouldn't guilty if me then do the powerful sitting them where them never see nobody else do. But now them see them powerful sitting here and them hate me and them hate me father same way. But this here happened so that what right down in a God word would have come true. It say them hate me for nothing at all. Me go send the helper from the Father to know. Him are the spirit we show people the truth sitting them about God. And him are the one we come from the Father. When he come, he going to tell people about me. And only if you tell people about me too. Because only did there with me from the start. Me I tell you them sitting here so that you not believe in me. Them are go running out of the Jew them church. The time all a come when somebody will kill you and think say them a do good sitting for God. Them a go do all of them sitting here because they don't know me or my father. Me I tell you them sitting here so that when the time come, you remember say me did one a Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.